everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Fruit for Thought and Journal Junk Box, two of my faves. So let's get right into it and see what they have. These boxes were sent to me for review, but because we review them, we have discount codes. I will put all of the information that you need down below. We're gonna jump right in. Don't think we've done a Fruit for Thought for a couple of months, so let's dig right into this. And I don't think we've done a Fruit for Thought for a couple of months, so let's dig into this one and see what we've got. Fruit for Thought is always so much fun. It is, oh, it smells minty. It is a really fun themed box. It was always fruit. Now she mixes it up. Sometimes you could have like a Paris evening. I totally made that up. But I think we have had Paris or France or something in the past. Anyway, she does a fantastic theme full of very well-themed products each month. Again, I will put all of the information down below for you. This is the November box. It is Blackberry Mint. Well, that's a fun thing because I can smell the mint coming out of it. And when we open it up, that is what it looks like. It's still mostly a surprise. Let's check it out. Okay, first out we have, I'm gonna guess a bath bomb or something. I'm not sure. It is Salus Peppermint Shower Bomb. Ooh, so it's the shower kind that you can just, I love that. It smells, that's the mint that I smell. That'll be super fun for the holidays. That smells so good. Simply unwrap, place in the shower floor, activate bomb with water, and enjoy the sparkling aroma. Sparkling. It's like, what is sparkling? The aroma will be sparkling. It was like hacky sack, but I won. Yeah, that smells fantastic. Okay, next out we have Plum Deluxe Blackberry Mojito Black Tea. That sounds delicious. It is black tea, spearmint, blackberries, hazelnut pieces, blackberry leaves, lime essence, and maple extract. Actually, my husband loves maple and hazelnut, so he might like to try this too because I am more of a coffee girl. He is more of a tea guy. I'm gonna go ahead and open it though. When we go out to like a breakfast, if I order coffee and he orders tea, if somebody different brings the drinks out, people always assume I'm the tea and he's the coffee. Oh, that's strong. Oh my goodness. Oh, the lime. That smells really good. The lime in it is amazing. I think I would like to try that. Blackberry mojito. Yeah, the blackberry and the lime is absolutely, it's the fruitiness that comes through in that, not the hazelnut, or what else did I say that made me think hazelnut? Maple. Yeah, I got no maple. That's what scared me a little bit about it being for me. I'm not a huge maple fan. I don't smell maple in that. Okay, next out, we have Blackberry Creamed Honey. Oh, he's gonna love this too. He loves honey. It is just honey and blackberry packaged by Nate's Nectar. Delicious blackberry creamed honey, a natural and clean spread, perfect for all your snacking needs. This natural raw honey is combined with 100% natural blackberry powder to create a delightful burst of fruity flavor in every spoonful. My mouth is watering and I'm not even a huge honey fan. Free of any artificial additives, making it the perfect guilt-free treat. Spread it on toast, drizzle it on yogurt, or add it to your favorite dessert for a sweet and natural touch. I'm gonna see what it smells like. Oh, it's sealed. You know what? He's gonna eat it. It smells like honey. It smells really good, but all I'm getting is the honey, but my husband will love that. Okay, next out, more treats. We have Raspberries Gummy Candy, the penny candy store. Looks like raspberries and blackberries. I liked these as a kid. I'm not a huge raspberry fan. I know, I like almost everything and I feel like I'm pish-tawing on all of this, but we're gonna try this. This says red and black gummy berries, a gummy delight from Penny Candy Store, crafted in the USA and packaged in recyclable materials. The treats provide 12 to 24 months shelf life for rich. Gonna last 12 to 24 months. We have kids that come up in this house, so there's not a chance. Well, since it's Blackberry Month, I'm actually gonna eat one of the ones that looks like a blackberry. That was good, nice and sugary and nice. I like that. And last out, we have Shimmer Moisturizer, Black Currant, and Orange Blossoms. That sounds lovely. Look how pretty that is. European Soaps, Black Currant, and Orange Blossom Shimmer Moisturizers. A gorgeous fragrance and color combination. Vegetable glycerin is a natural humectant full of emollient properties. It absorbs and locks in oxygen. Wait, what? It absorbs and locks in oxygen, offering anti-aging benefits. Glycerin is hypoallergenic, antibacterial, and naturally non-comedogenic. It's a gentle yet powerful ingredient that forms the base of our Bella products. I don't know anything about keeping oxygen in. Well, I mean, I get that part. Oxygen, good. I've never heard of a product. Now that I'm saying that, isn't there some kind of oxygenating mask and that it bubbles up? Oh, that smells good. Fruity, and yet kind of like a body product. It makes me think, it really takes me back. There's something about the scent that reminds me of like old school soap scent. It smells so good. I like that a lot. It is made in Italy. That was fun. So we had our Via Mercato Shimmer, moisturizer? Wait, hold on. So you're telling me that this is moisturizer and not a bath wash? Sorry, I think I might have dipped out for a second there. Okay, well, let's put some on my hand and see what happens. I thought that this was because of the way, I mean, and you can't see because I just shook it down, but it was kind of empty up top, so it really reads shower gel. Oh, I'm not backing off of that. Can you guys see that? Here we go. It smells very nice. It's very clean smelling. I mean, I don't mind smelling like it at all, but I don't know why I thought that this was a shower gel. Okay. I think personally I smell more of the orange blossom. Oh, I am soft. It's moisturizer, guys. I'm the only one that's surprised by that, right? You guys heard me say it the first time. Yeah, my hands feel really nice. Oh boy. So we have the Via Mercato Shimmer Moisturizer. Glad I reread that. The Blackberry Creamed Honey. That sounds delicious. The Plum Deluxe Blackberry Mojito Tea. The little raspberry and blackberry candies. And a shower bomb in peppermint. So that's the fruit for thought. I will put all of the information down below. If you have any questions, let me know. If I don't know the answer, I will find out for you guys. And the journal junk box, it came in a bag and we had something on the outside. We won't look at it yet. We'll wait. But journal junk box it's awesome. I love pins and papers and stickers. I keep journals. Right now, I am working a book really hard for Christmas. I have people's names on it. I keep track of what I'm buying or what I've ordered so I know what's coming and going. We're starting to talk meal plans and groceries for all of our Christmas parties. I'm keeping that in there. And one of the ways that I zhuzh it up and make it even more festive is with my journal junk stuff. I put stickers on the pages just to make me happy when I'm doing it. You can do anything you want with all of your journals or planners, whatever you'd like. When we open it up, we have our affirmation card that says, I welcome the new year with gratitude, confidence, and an open heart. I use those as bookmarks, that kind of thing. Then we have this, and it'll tell us what's in the box, and it will give us some journal prompts that you can use. This one is week 1. What values or passions do I want to prioritize more in the coming year? And then you can write about that. That's a great idea. That's her branding. And when we open it up, ooh, it caught my hair. That is what we have. I love that purple theme on top. And what is that? A wallet? That is cool. Let's take it out first. Oh, is that separate? Oh, I like it. I'm gonna tell you a story about this. I like this a lot. I could have ripped it open, but that seemed easier. This is kind of cute. So you can keep your cards in it and they're snapped in. So they're good and secure. And then you can keep like your driver's license or military ID, whatever you want on the portion of the back. I have, and I could take this off and treat it the same way. I have one of these that I keep my keys on for that reason. It doesn't have this whole part. It's just this part. And then I have my keys on it so that if I'm out and about, they're just handy for me. If I'm going through my purse, and I love it. I purchased it at one of our local stores and I have used it ever since. This one is silicone. Mine is not silicone. It's just plastic. This is super cute. Very, very cute. I am not sure if I will use it as it stands or if I will take this part off and use it as a keychain. I would like this because when we go to Disney, when we go into the parks, I don't necessarily want a full wallet because I carry a very small bag, and I would probably like this for my credit cards. But I think I see these two things having fulfilling different needs for me. Okay, next out we have Let Your Dreams Bloom. This looks like a tiny little notebook. Gosh. Oh my gosh, there's little, stop it. So we have the tiny little notebook. How cute is that? It's like a little 3-ring binder. And then this, look, we have 3 of these little pages that you could slide something into and put in your little 3-ring binder. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And it's like little papers. That's adorable. I just can't with this. Oh my gosh. And it's little, it's got dots on it. Can you guys see the dots? And then you can put this in your little purse. The purple calls back to this. That is adorable. How's it open? Can we open it easily and put our, you can. I'm gonna put these in here because I don't wanna lose them. And I know me. Okay, I put my little plastic things in here so I can store in them whatever I want. That, it's just, that's just too cute. In your purse as a little extra, that would be absolutely adorable. I think I might have a thing where I love little things that are like big things, but in the miniature version. I always love that. If you are new to Journal Junk, I will put all the information for them down below along with my code that will get you a discount off your first box. Ooh, pretty scissors. These are the kind of things that sometimes they end up in the cart. I keep an art cart for my girls that they can go into, and it's just got, oh, it's got everything in it. Scissors, and I have, back from the days when I made cards and did stamping, I have stamping stuff, and there's just so much in there. So sometimes these go in there. These probably won't, because can you guys see how sharp these are? But sometimes these are also good for my mother because she does knitting, and these, I mean, these are nice. That feels very nice. But they're just handy little scissors to have around. I like the super fine points. That's the easiest way to show you guys. They're super fine points. So if you're like cutting paper out or a sticker out, you can really get in there with these super fine scissors. Next out, we have our stickers. Those are gorgeous. I love this purple theme. And it says Purposeful Living Journal Junk Sticker Collection. And there's just a ton of really pretty stickers. Love that. Next we have a Journal Junk 3 stencil collection. Oh, this is perfect for New Year because it's got like little fireworks and champagne bottles clinking. And I like to take these in colored pencils. The girls like to take these in colored pencils. And I do it on my pages in my journal. They make cards or just do it on paper to make things to take to their mom and dad. Love having stencils around. Then we have our pens. It says there's 6 of them. Wow. I'm using my Christmas ones that we got last month right now. Look at that. They're pinks and purples. They're so pretty. They're a butterfly design. They're all different. Silicone bottom you can hold, and love that. Next out we have 12 dual tip markers. Dual tip, fine bullet and broad water-based dye ink, non-toxic. So you can see you get a fine and then a wider tip. So they're dual-ended. Those are great colors, perfect like I said. You could, oh my goodness, those with the stencils. And last out, we have our notebook. And it's butterflies too, and it's a hardcover this month. That is so pretty. When we open it up, it is just a nice lined notebook. It has the, this is where I left off, and it also, I love this, it has the rubber band that you can close it with. And the beauty of that is I carry a big purse. Sometimes I have these kinds of things in my purse, and I love that it stops, it keeps it closed so things don't end up jammed down in there. I've had that happen a ton of times, so I love it when they have that thing that holds them closed. That was the December box. We have Purposeful Living in December. We have the really pretty notebook and the 12 dual tip markers. We have our pens, our stencils, the stickers, this adorable little notebook. Carry it wherever you want. It's going right into my purse. These really cute scissors, real fine point, pretty scissors. And this wallet, also keychain. Use it however you'd like. I will be separating them, I think. And that was the December box for Journal Junk Box. Oh, no, not done. Not done. I knew this was gonna happen. It came with a book, Advanced Color Patterns. So it's just, it's a coloring book, but look how fine the definition is on this. So, I mean, it's lots of little bits. So it's gonna take, look how cute that is. So it's not like you're gonna just sit down with crayons and it's gonna take you 2 minutes. You can really get in there and do lots of colors. That is so cool. What does it say on the back? Pull out your pencils, markers, or paints and get creative with Pattern's advanced coloring. This book contains 32 images that will provide hours of mellow amusement in today's fast-paced world. It's important to slow down and focus on the now, and coloring is the ultimate downtime. That and diamond painting, I'm just saying. Okay, let's take another run at that. This is the December box. Okay, so we had our fun journal junk, our fruit for thought. I will link them both below. I loved both themes this month. Everything in that fruit for thought smells so good, and between me and my girls, this is already half gone. If you guys watch Jammerl Stewart, when she has a lot of kids and whenever she cooks, she's like, that's already gone. This is already gone. People are gonna love everything in here. So thanks again for coming by. I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great evening, guys. Bye.